We have already seen this tutorial in my previous course, which is Absolute Beginner course, but we are going to revisit it because it is very important. We'll see how to use screw modifier for our benefit to make circular cylindrical types of object. Let's start. Let's add a Bezier curve first, and in the edit mode, we are going to delete it. Here is an option to draw. So basically we are going to draw the outer periphery of any object. Okay, so we'll just go to the x-axis mode. This is y-axis. So so this is x-axis. So just simply I'm going to draw it just like this. And don't worry if your drawing is not that good, because in edit mode we'll have the option to edit it. So now in edit mode we have this vertices. We can grab those vertices and we can move it just like this. We can even rotate the vertices. Okay, so once you are done, we can go back to object mode and we'll have just one outer line of this object. So I'm just trying to make a glass. So now what we can do is we're going to add a modifier. We're going to add screw modifier, and as you can see, just applying the modifier, we are getting this glass. By default, shade smoothing is on in this case. So if I go down under the normals, you can see here shade smoothing is on. So if I put it off, you can see the changes in the glass. So it's best to keep shade smoothing. You can increase the values of step viewport to get it more smoothen out here, just like this. So as you can see, our glass is more smoothen. In the center, as you can see, there is a hole. We can fix that. That's not an issue. So once you draw the outer line, and if you apply and if you follow the same process, you'll get something like this. Okay, so my whole point to show you this is, if you want to make something cylindrical, you just need to draw a curve. So once you draw a curve, you'll get something like this. So for example, right now I'm trying to draw a bulb here. So I have just drawn one line, and see, everything is being done by the screw modifier. We'll see more examples. So let's say I am drawing this and I'm applying the modifier, and as you can see, this is such a simple process. Anything that is cylindrical in nature, you can draw it, and the topology will also be good in these cases. And let's say in this, you can just draw randomly also, so you can experiment with it, and if you have any abstract idea, that also you can apply and see if it is working or not. And especially for the columns and all, this works really well. So in this case, as you can see, just a simple line can do wonders. So please try and see and experiment with this.